So Teddy is now 10 months old. We're back home in West Bank, and so his tricks have improved yet again, but he does a few different ones. So for instance, he goes, Teddy, ready? Shut the door. Oh, good boy. Teddy, shut the door. Yeah, good boy. Okay. So he can do a beautiful rollover now. You ready? Roll over. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Teddy, come. Spin. Spin. Wow, good boy. Very nice. And one of the other old standbys. You're going to take a bow. Good boy. And can you come over here? Come here. Sit. Paws up. Say your prayers. Oh, let's get the paws up. Say your prayers. Good boy. Yay, good boy. Teddy, take a bow. Good boy. Okay, now we have a couple of new tricks. Oh, he's got a new bucket. Whoops, good job. Take your bucket, come, and sit. Good boy. Hold it. Hold it. Very nice. Good boy. Good boy, Teddy. Very nice. And can you get your leash out? Bring it here. Sit. Good boy. Very nice. And we've been trying to do this cross-legs one. Sit. Are you ready? Yeah, you're a good boy. Oh, you want to do that one? Okay, give me your paw. Good. Give me your other paw. Good. Down. No, we're not rolling over. Down. Okay, Teddy, come here. Here is you. You're a good boy. You sit. Down. Down, down. Take. Leave it. Good boy. That's very nice. Good boy. We've been trying to work on this cross your legs video. So, how best could I? Sit. And we give him a marker. And we tell him to cross. Good boy. Cross. Good boy. And the other side. Cross. Good boy. That was very good. Flip. Back, 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 back. Wow, that's good boy. Good boy. Whoops. Good boy. Are you ready?